Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 473, Stocks Midday and Crypto Analysis. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links in the description, guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me. Link for Twitter's also in the description. Remember, today, midday, or no, around 7 p.m., we're going to have an interview with Team Huddle, right? Hash Brown. So make sure you're tuned in for that as well. Right now, let's go look at markets and figure out what is happening. We'll see, man, right? We'll see. If there's anyone in the chat that wants to say hi, don't be shy. Oh, cool. We're going to take a massive drop, man. We're going to go to Bitcoin because it's dropping quite a few percent points, 13.51%. Let's move there. There we are. Bitcoin dropping. Phoenix Rising, what's up? Thank you for being here, man. Thank you for joining us. I don't have anything set up on the lineup for now, so just Bitcoin, right? I wasn't looking at the markets. I had a busy morning, so no chance to look at the pre-market or anything like that. Just I know the Bitcoin's tanking, but we can also talk stocks if you guys want to, right? Stocks and crypto right now. Bitcoin taking a massive drop, breaking the support line. Breaking the support line below the 20 moving average, sitting currently at 46,000. We're trying to hold support at 46,834. We're actually slightly below it. Next support at 45,467, man. Will it hold? Will it hold? What's up? Crazy day. I know, Firebeard. It's crazy, man. I was looking at some bullish divergence last night, which is obviously not playing out, right? It's not panning out. We were hoping here to get some kind of pullback. We did. We rejected 51,000. Tried again. This chart is not looking the best, but we tried a couple times and we failed. We just weren't strong enough, right? The bullishness is not there. Now, the bullish divergence that we were looking for, we lost it against the MACD, right? We lost it against the MACD. I'm going to leave it here because it's something that I'm going to move right now. But I got to leave some kind of evidence that we talked about this today, right now. Because the people from the night stream are not going to be here, right? So many people panicking last night. I'm still cool. We're still fresh. All right, we're still doing good. Blood everywhere. I know. There's blood everywhere, man. There's blood in the streets, man. Crypto's going insane. Insanely low, that is. You can buy at a cheaper price. We still have this bullish divergence against the RSI, not against the MACD. Against the MACD, we lost it. Like, you didn't care about it against the MACD. I was really hoping that we're going to get that action to the upside. If you remember, when we were live, I was talking about this, and I told you guys this. I mean, we have it, but it's not pointing up, right? We're pointing sideways here on the RSI. And the fact that we did not get that point up, right, like we did here, is not indicating any kind of reversal. So here we did get a slight reversal. Right now, it looks like we want to push back down. I hope we don't do another leg down, man. Look at more. Yo, Nerexer. Thank you for being here, guys. Again, party on the YouTube channel, right? That's where most of the people are at. Thank you for joining me again and being here. Again, night stream will be as usual. Interview with Hash Brown at 7 tonight. So we're going to have an interview and then the night stream at 9 p.m. Awesome. And again, thanks everyone for the kind support they give this channel. Riot is bad. Well, Riot's going to bleed with Bitcoin, right? We know that. Adam. Someone said Adam. Phoenix Rising said Adam. I'll put Adam on the list. I don't care if we just look at Bitcoin right now or crypto, right? I'll be good. Naraxer, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. You just did something. Red card. Why red card, man? Should you buy Litecoin? I'm not sure. Should you ever buy anything? You can. I mean, it's on sale, right? Maybe you should. I'm not sure. I cannot give you advice. Diamond Hands, buy more long Bitcoin. Oh, I don't like longing. I just add Bitcoin to my position. I would rather add Bitcoin, right? The tips, yeah. That is it, right? Riot is down. Oh, look at Riot. Why not? Put Riot on the list. Edit? Is that the ticker? Edit? All right, man. Yeah, I'll check it. Do the buys, right? Oh, that's not the one I want. Yeah, that's one I want to play.
Do the buys.
Let's go check out Edit, right? But first, Atom and Riot. Right on. Cosmos. Where's Cosmos at, man? $19.92. What do we have for this project? I don't think we looked at this yesterday. Bearish divergence, right? That's the last thing we had on the daily. Action to downside, moving down. We're still above the 20 moving average, which is fine. Low, high, negative, more negative, low, high. I'm going to talk about Bitcoin in a second again, because there's stuff I got to cover about it, right? There's stuff that's happening on Bitcoin that we're not looking at, that we should be looking at. Particularly with the 20 moving averages in the 1 hour. Imran, I'm not sure, man. That's what we're going to try to determine, right? We have targets. There is support there at 40K. We'll talk about it in a second. We didn't go into depth into Bitcoin right now. I'm just going to look at Atom real quick. I'm going to be rounded back to Bitcoin because that's a hot topic today, right? That is what everyone's talking about. So, we're talking about Bitcoin. So let's go check out Bitcoin, I guess. Atom, again, hidden bullish, potential fracture to the upside, or at least sideways motion. Where is it in the Fips? We're below the 3618. We're heading to that 2618. Already wicked it. Trying to hold on to whatever bullishness we have. On the 4 hour, look at this, right? This is from the 1 hour. Shouldn't be here. With that, I get the crazy feeling that some stuff here is also from the 1 hour. This is definitely from the 1 hour. Could be that this one's from the 1 hour. Nope, that's from the 4 hour. So the other one. There we go, right? Anyways, we are going lower, and that moving lower, we're still making less of this negative momentum, right? So we have strong bullish divergence in the 4 hour on Atom, right? So we're bullish, right? Well, then that's going to play out. It's going to depend on Bitcoin. Look, we got very nice movement to the upside. Hit the 20. We're rejecting the 20. That's not good. We don't want to see that. We want to see this going through the 20 and pushing farther to the upside, right? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart again. This is from the daily, dude. I forgot to anchor it there. Again, we had the support line. We're failing to stay above it, breaking it, not liking it. To be honest, there's a support line, right? Confirmed. We're struggling to stay above the resistance now, right? That was the resistance line. It became support, found to stay above the support, found to stay above the support, found to stay above the support. It's not playing out, it's not holding. Now that could bring the question of whether or not this is the actual resistance line, right? Which could be that we're resisting this level. Again, you should want to go with your short-term stuff, right? So your short-term stuff is a move here. You're getting consistent hits. 1, 2, 3, 4. This was the resistance line. Right? Had the bullish divergence. Pump, hit that, rejected still, right? So we're strong enough to hit that resistance. Now, are we making more bullish divergence? The answer is yes, we are. We're making more bullish divergence from here to here. Anchor this in the 1 hour, so we're not struggling later on throughout the stream, right? Then we're coming lower still, right? And with that, we have strong bullish divergence. We pumped, hit the 3618, rejected all the way down to the 2618, and now try to bounce, rejecting again the 3618. We're just on that channel, right? We're on that move, man, right? David, what's up? Thanks for being here, man. Altcoin is moving with Bitcoin? Yeah, very likely. Bitcoin is controlling the market. We'll see. I haven't really checked. High, low, positive, more positive, right? Some hidden bearish divergence here, right? So we're getting to a resistance with hidden bearish divergence. That means potential action to the downside. So I'm down on that. Failing to hold support. Not really looking the strongest right now, right? On that, we are neutral at 52.44. Sorry if I'm going to be looking away right now. They're on the stream. That's not what I want to show. Where is it? Is it here, man? Sorry if I'm looking away throughout the stream. I do have a position open that I'm trying to fill on an order, on a trade. So, you got to keep on checking it, man. Trying to add more DVT to my portfolio. Because it's good news coming soon, right? So, yeah. So I am trading right now, so I'm doing this. Mind the pennies and dollars mind themselves. Yeah, you could say that, right? Does it matter? What's up? Thanks for being here, man.
What's up?
Yo, thank you very much for that, man. I appreciate it. Thank you for joining me. Sure, we can look at that. I'm not sure how many stuff we're going to be able to go through, right? today. I just have 1 hour right now. Regular stream at 9 p.m. Central, right? That's when we go full on for a couple hours. Right now it's midday, quick recap of stuff. So if you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. Join us on Discord. Anyways, it has that bearishness. Nothing else bullish happening. We did have some strong bullish down here as well for that pump before we hit that hidden bearish, right? So it's from here to here. Again, pumping, moving down. That's that, dude. Neutral at 51.60, right? That is it for Atom, dude. Again, it does have some bearishness. It might try to move down. It could give some sideways motion. We're in the middle of a channel right now. It's trying to hold. I'm not sure if it's gonna make it though. Right, let's go to Riot. Right, she's probably dumping. It's just like Mara, right? And that is because Bitcoin's tanking, right? They are related to crypto. As a DVT fan, how do I feel about Cardano being 2 days away from multi-asset support? Well, I think it's fine, dude. I don't mind it. I just don't hold any Cardano. I haven't bought any Cardano, man. They don't have it in the exchanges that I buy stuff at. Maybe on Binance they do. I just don't have a lot on Binance right now. Yeah, Imran. Margin and yeah, I wouldn't suggest you trade that, right? If you, particularly if you're starting, you shouldn't be trading with margin. You should start with the basics, and that's, buying and selling spot. Once you get a hang of that, you can probably get a better read of the market, and then you can probably be set up for longer positions. Anyways, Riot at 49.50. I'll try it on the daily, man. It's probably tanking, right? Yeah, it took a dive. You know why this dive happened? Because Bitcoin dove, right? Bitcoin went going down. This is affected by Bitcoin more than technicals of its own. So Bitcoin going down is going to affect it more, right? Someone said here. Your head. You feel your atom bags this morning? That's awesome. Doesn't matter. That is awesome. That's good. Team predictions for the weekend. I don't do predictions. We can look at Bitcoin though, MC. Thank you for being here. Appreciate it.
What's up?
I think mainly what's going to happen on the weekend is going to be dependent on what happens throughout the week. And right now, the week's not really looking too bullish, right? Getting 2 bearish days in a row today more than yesterday. You've been on Bitcoin for 24 days and you've been taking private lessons. That's awesome, Imran. That's awesome, dude. Congrats. Just not sure why you started with margin trading when you're just getting into Bitcoin or crypto, right? That's something I should leave to while you're a little bit more advanced. You always get unlucky. Well, that's dollar cost average, right? Just don't buy your whole bag at once. Just buy little by little, right? As it goes down. Add to your position. Either if it moves down or up, just add to your position little by little, right? Then you'll be set for the move. Riot died? Yeah. Taking an insane dive. I'm not gonna find anything here on the technical. It's just going down because Bitcoin's crashing. That's it. Alright, so let's go to edit. Someone said they bought it at $47.70. Let's check it, man. On the daily, it had bearish divergence. So yeah, it has technicals for a move to the downside. I'm not sure what they're doing. It's very slight though. High, slightly higher, right? Coming down low here, man. Had a low. Had a low here as well. Jesus, we have a lot of bearish divergence here. Potential fraction to the downside. Moving down on that. Right. We hit some hidden bullish afterwards, right? And that hidden bullish is giving us some potential fraction to the upside. That's fine. I mean, here, and I'm not going to pinpoint it right now. I'm just looking at this quickly. All right. I mean, here. All right. Then what happened? We dropped farther still. So low, lower low, right? It's what? This. We have 2 ways of looking at this. Against the RSI, we're going here with some hidden bullish. Against the MACD, we're coming here with some strong bullish, right? It could have potential fraction to the upside. If you bought this, I'm not sure when you bought it, you could be looking for some potential upwards motion. Now, you do have a resistance line that you're going to have to break, and that's this line that goes here. Getting above this line I just drew would put this on a bullish trend and potentially see more action to the upside, right? What's for dinner? Winner, winner, chicken dinner, right? Not sure what we're gonna have for dinner, man. Hopefully steak. Hopefully we can all have steak dinners, right? Not ramen noodles or something cheaper than that. Are we gonna sleep in a hotel room or under a bridge, right? It's gonna be the question for tonight. Again, some bullishness. We'll see if we can manifest this to actually the upside and pump. Again, it's a daily. It's gonna take time to pump or move. Let's go on the weekly real quick, see how this is doing. Of course, it all came through, right? It has to come through. Low, high, negative, more negative, right? Again, hidden bullish divergence against the RSI for potential action to the upside, at least stagnation to happen, right? Right now, it's all about what's happening with Bitcoin. You're right. It's all about what's happening with Bitcoin. I'm going to return to Bitcoin before I actually move on to DOT. Just in the account that Bitcoin, it's still at 46,500. Not liking the way. Can afford a cup of noodles. Only a packet one. Ooh. Huh. Get the packet one. Get two. Heard that Gavin has extra room in the cardboard house. I'm not sure, man. I think Matilda and Ja are already taking a big enough space there, man. It's a large fridge box apartment. We talked about downside stops, right? Or downside places where you could go to, right? That's a good price for Tesla. We haven't a good Tesla. Well, look at Tesla, right? Look at Tesla. Look, Bitcoin holding supports. We talked about them. We were up here, right? Somewhere up here. So it said 49,000, right? Then 48,000, 46,800. That's what we're trying to hold right now. Heading to 45,400. Then if we drop there, it's 43,800. Then 40,000. I think Gavin has a liquidation there. I hope it's not the case. David Neville Jr. Zone, sure. Rookie question: stock market and crypto market all crashed. It's not 2018 all over again. No, dude. Was last year a sign of 2017 or 2018 all over again? not yet, man. Right? We're still bullish. We're still on an uptrend. Right? Look at this, man. Right. Oh, let's go to the parabolic advance graph. Is it this one? I can't remember where I have my parabolic advances. That is a problem. Oh, first of all, here we broke this channel to a downside. We hit the measure move, right? That was at 47,000. We're hitting the measure move off the channel. We talked about that yesterday being a possibility going and hitting that area. Slightly below. This is the one that has a parabolic advance. I think this is the one that has a parabolic advance. Let's go on log scale. On the weekly. Let's hide the Bollinger Bands. Bitcoin advances, right? Bitcoin advances. One advance, two advance, three advance, right? Third advance. We're in the third advance of Bitcoin on this parabolic move. We're halfway up the parabola. All right. Could we crash all the way down here and hit that parabola before we bounce again? Yeah. It's not completely out of the question, right? If we go there and do that, how much of a drop would that be right now from current price or from, let's say, this week? So we just started the week, so we'll go from here to here more or less. It's about a 66% crash. If we are to do something like this, where we go down here, hit that support and bounce again, like we did back here. This was a 40% drop though. Looking at 60% drop, if that is to be the case, right? Like I was saying, this run is starting to look more like this move here, right? Look at this, it just went insanely up, insanely high, came back down, moved sideways, so insanely up, insanely high. I'm not sure how much that drop was there. Probably a little bit more. About 50%, more or less. Right. So you could say that throughout the parabola. Right. Here we got a 40% drop. Here we're getting a 40% drop. Here we could be aiming for a 40% drop, right? So one quick second. Thought I wanted to come in. So 40% drop. What would that 40% drop get us to, man? Around 29,000. Let's actually try to pinpoint that 40. Somewhere around there. 30K, right? That's if you drop that percentage point. Brent's in the house. What's up, Brent? Thanks for being here, man. Brent can't keep on buying more, man. Matt says he's gonna have slip for dinner. Can we see DVT? Yeah, we can see DVT, man. We'll look at DVT. The 100K in the year target on the threat? Not yet. We're still in a parabolic advance. As long as we stay within this curve, we're good, right? That curve can still get us higher. Tempted to set you on bot mark. Yeah. Yeah, the horn of hype is live. For some. Not for all, right? So he's back on auto. Let's get the Bollinger Bands back out. Let's go look at Bitcoin, where we're at, man. Where are we at on Bitcoin? We're hitting the 1618, right? At 47,145. We're slightly below that area. We still have the day to close. We could try to push back up and close above that 1618. I mean, we talked about that being a target yesterday, right? To the downside, 47K. We did dip a little bit more. Again, we hit supports. We're bouncing on those. So I'm not really worried about Bitcoin yet, right? We're not really worried about Bitcoin yet. This chart has missing data for some reason. Freaking Coinbase, I guess, or Gemini dying out. And below 46,800. Next stop, 45,000, right? There's not a lot of support here in this zone. That's why there are areas of support. Keep looking for moving down here to bounce again. We'll see if we drop here. Next target's at 43,900. So, is this live for real? Yeah. There it is, hat lifted, man. Never live, it's live. Yes, it is live. You think it's a pre-recorded video? Then you must be really, really dumb. Because I'm looking at the actual time of Bitcoin right now. And current time is the 13-hour candle. How can it be pre-recorded when I'm live? Jesus, man. Jesus. What the hell? To you, man, I'll say.
Yeah, well, you know, that's just like...
your opinion, man. Jesus. All right, let's keep rolling, man. Let's go to dot. Some are special, I know. He's one of the gifted ones. We'll call him gifted. Let's go to dot. Dot at $31, right? $31.58. That's fine. Let's go to daily. Dot still climbing. It's higher and higher. Nothing bearish. Crashing, probably because he was highly overbought. Now we're doing a valid retrace. That's good. Now we can fib this. We can throw some Fibonacci here. Low to high, dude. There we go. Hit that 238. Trying to bounce on that. That's fine for dot, I guess, right now. Did dip almost to 382. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Brent says, I'm not convinced it's live. I need to send up, do the cha-cha, pick up your nose. Pick your nose and sit down. Yeah, dude, that's not going to happen, Brent. You like this, you'll follow me. Thanks. I'm here every night. And right now, every day also. At least during the weekday, I'm here every day for an hour. Usually the stock's in this time, but being the market conditions of crypto, we're doing crypto. High, low, negative, more negative, low, low, right? Someone's on the list, man, right? David Neville Jr. It's up next after Tesla. So dot Tesla, then Zone, then DVT. That's the queue so far. Still half an hour left. Half an hour for the stream, right? I'll be back again tonight. You knew it was pre-recorded. I know, Brent, I know. Binance? Sure, we can do Binance. Put in the queue, right? Right on, man. I mean, yeah, dot in the 1 hour. We haven't been looking at it. Higher, more positive, higher still. Nothing bearish again. Breaking down. Probably there's some crypto, right? I mean, all crypto moving down, it should be enough to move a project like this down. Again, hitting that 236, moving back up, low, high, negative, more negative, low, lower. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. It's doing its own thing right now. Don't have anything on the technicals for dot. Dot. I mean, from way back here, we would have some hidden bullish. But again, we're just like fishing for data, right? Fishing for data. Why are we charting on a different color? This is not the mainstream when I do crypto. Mainstream is at 9 p.m. Central, right? We're going to have an interview with Hash Brown from Team Huddle at 7 p.m. Central. All right, Brent, I'll catch you tonight, man. Thank you for being here. There you go. Walk out horn. For you, man. What will it drop to? Good question. We'll check it out in a second, though. Let's move on to Tesla. Potential drops. All right, let's go to Tesla. Before I actually go to Tesla, I want to check real quick the markets. Jeez, almost everything is down. Dow's down. S&P's down by a little bit, but they're down. Toronto's down. Just the UK and the K are up 0.42%. That's it. Right, Tesla. Tesla at 3.30% to downside. Still dropping. We had bearish divergence, right? We had bearish divergence. I called it out here. We broke the support line. We had the support line for the bullishness. We're not triggering this hidden bullish. We're actually getting rid of it almost. So no surprises, right? I did say bearish for Tesla. Hidden bullish, you know, it's finicky and it might not play out. We know that, right? What else we have is a strong bearish that's taking a hold. Failed to get higher than the previous high. I even talked about that, right? Failed to get higher than the previous high. Gives some continuation to that bearishness. Thank you, Brent, for being here, man. I appreciate it. Tesla again. Analysis stands. Weekly, bearish divergence also, right? Look at that. Strong bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence on the weekly. Potential action to downside. Haven't created anything bullish yet. We're starting to create a hidden bullish, but I'm not going to call it yet. We went to a 20. Trying to bounce. That's great. On the daily again. That wick. All right. Fun to see if it's live. I already followed you. See you and all others later. Bye. Thank you, Never Alive. We are live, so kind of like a conundrum. Senegal, what's up? Crypto end? No, not crypto end. Crypto stand still for a little bit. Zone. Let's go to zone. $37.28. All right, going higher, more positive, dude. We have bearish divergence here. 91.44, 91.48, slightly higher still. Nothing bearish on the daily. Let's go on the weekly, man. Nothing bearish on the weekly. Is this all-time highs for the project? No, we have all-time highs. We could fib this, try to get ideas to where we're at, get some bearings, right? Go high to low. Retracing, hitting that 786. I'm not sure why this project is pumping. It might be on news, right? This pumps on news, not on technicals. I'm finding anything on the technicals to have this pump. This happened on January the 4th. So you're gonna have an IPO, I guess. Exxon announces pricing of public offering of common stock. Exxon prices 90 million common stock offering. That's what seems to be rolling for this right now, right? I'm not sure why it's fallen this last couple of days, but that rally could have been on maybe the stock stuff happening, right? No, maybe. I'm not sure, man. We'll see. Again, I'm not familiar with all the stocks that are out there, right? There's so many, dude. There's some hidden bullish divergence. I don't think I'm finding. You have it at support at the 50% retrace line, and that could be a catalyst for this to potentially hold, right? Again, low to high, negative, more negative, right? Hidden bullish divergence. That is what it has right now. I'm not gonna go to shorter time scales for this. Might try to hold on this. It's below the 20. That could be bearish enough. We're gonna have fine resistance at the 20 moving average. We could be aiming to hit the lower part of the Bollinger Bands. Might not be a straight shot, but that lower part of the Bollinger Bands at 19.47, dude. Jesus, that's a big drop. It will be the 236 retrace. Around $20.10 maybe. Really not looking that hot, right? So right now it's on a retrace. Main retrace zone, right? The 382. The 618 to 382, right? We could end the retrace here at 29.77. Let's retrace more and do a deep retrace over here to 236. 1992 more or less, or 20 bucks. So we could still be aiming for a hit here at 29 before we actually try to bounce in reverse, right? We'll still have the hidden bullish divergence in play if we get there. So someone said DVT to the TEE, man. What is happening with DVT? 5.6, 6.6. I'm not sure if my position is gonna get filled. Ooh, no, it didn't get filled. Jesus, I'm still waiting for it to fill. That order book's moving up. Jeez, man. Might have to chase and move my position up a little bit so I can get it filled. I am trying to buy more DVT, by the way. There it is, right? Buy DVT at 11.4, but it's moving up, dude, so DVT could be bullish. I got information that Binance Smart Chain could be going live within 24 hours. We'll see, right? It's interesting. DVT, where's it at, man? Where's it at? Look at the MACD and the RSI out here. I mean, if that goes live, it's not going to matter what we have on the technicals, right? It's just, it might explode, so. Might explode. Let's see, dude. Do we have anything here that is bearish? Same motion, higher and higher. Nothing bearish there. Slightly higher here. All right, low, slightly high. Had a low. Some strong bearish moving us down again. But again, we're just on this range, right? That 11.3 to 15 point change. So, I mean, we're gapping. That's a good gap to play, actually. Or you could be buying here, selling up here, buying up here, down here, selling up here. It's that gap, dude. You can play that gap for a while. If there's volume enough for your positions to get covered, right? Let's go to the 4-hour DVT, man. Low, high, low, high, low. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower, right? Low, high, negative, more negative. All right, we have hidden bullish divergence here. We talked about it last night, right? It's from here to here, and from here to here, right? With that, we have that potential for actually the upside. And again, here to here also. All right, so again, some hidden bullish. Sideways motion with possibility for reversal. That's fine. We're holding on to that. The daily has the same thing, right? It no longer has it, but it had it. And now short term on the daily, we had the bearish divergence. So from here to here, and from here to here. I'm not pinpointing it. I'm just showing you, illustrating the move real quick. They're going higher. It doesn't matter here because I got to delete them. They don't stay. Right, so higher and lower. Strong bearish. Moving down and down on the daily. That's fine. I believe the movement has completed. And we could be looking for a pump happening, particularly with the news that we're getting that, you know, it could be going on Binance Smart Chain within 24 hours. So we're going to get wrapped DVT here soon-ish. Soon-ish, right? It's for DVT, man. Binance. Someone said Binance. Look what you got, Binance. I have not been looking at the chat that much, dude. Sorry. I drifted away. Jaws in the house. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it, Ja. Thank you for being here.
What's up?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Bit sideways? Yeah. Bit sideways, man. Ja's busy. He's trying to find a new bridge to sleep under tonight because Bitcoin just kept on moving down, man. SV, what's up? Neutral, right? That's the next zone. Let's go to Binance. Someone said Binance. Binance to $1, man. Had the bearish divergence, moving down on that. Hit that 50% retrace, bouncing on it. That's fine. Again, Dow's theory says that most retraces happen around 50%. We know that the main retrace zone, it is 0.382 to the 618. So we're looking for some retraces to happen here. I'm sure if we're done with the drop on Binance, sitting at $211.24. That is on the fibs from low to high here. Right, quick fibs that we did. Let's go to the 4-hour. Fact, it's cold. I know. Someone was saying that we should all go crash Gavin's cardboard house. I told him it was a fridge box. It was big enough for 3 people. You, Matilda, and him already taking up most of the space. So not sure if we can all fit in there, man. It's a mansion, right? A fridge cardboard. It's a mansion for living in the streets, man. It's a big apartment. It's a big street apartment. Look at here, right? Binance came down to that 618. Found support, trying to retrace, hit the 50, rejecting. Hidden bullish still there. I mean, Jesus, the point with hidden bullish is that you don't know if it's going to trigger or not, right? It's just there. It's something you can observe, right? It might give you sideways motion. It might give you a reversal. It could keep on dropping. By all means, I've explained this plenty of times. We can come all the way down here. As long as we're above this previous low, make more negative momentum still, and you'll still have hidden bullish, right? It's just how it works. That's hidden bullish divergence. Dude, AD. If you ask me, I would say DVT. Some people would say ADA with whatever's happening. We'll see, right? We'll see. Cosmos. We already did Cosmos. I can recap Atom. Oh, man. Jesus. Again, might head down to that 618 again. Try to find support. We're really not doing a lot here, man. It's just trying to hold to whatever it can. Because Bitcoin is just going insane. Different pips here, right? Here we're bouncing at that 50. I have here the ones from the daily. And moving down, finding support. Bouncing. Rejecting the 318. The 382, sorry. We're looking for this bullish divergence yesterday across crypto. We didn't have it, right? We didn't get it. We dropped more because Bitcoin dropped more. And it kind of killed everyone. So it kind of sucks. How long ago did I go to Cosmos? I'm not sure. This is just a 1-hour stream, so I wasn't keeping track of the time. I'll go back to it, man, James. Don't worry about it. And by the way, that's it for Binance. Nothing happening right now. I'm gonna go check it out. Here it is, Atom. Don't worry about it. Don't leave. Don't leave now. Stay here. Hit the like. If that's what we do, hit the like button on the sub. Join us on Discord. Links in the description. Again, Atom, bearish divergence, right? Hidden, potential fraction downside, moving down on that, breaking the 20 right now. Last thing we had was this strong bullish, pumping on it. Right, we could have strong bullish here, pumped, more strong bullish, pump, right? Hidden bearish is striking us down. Hit it 3618, we're retracing. By all means, we can get new fibs out here, get a little high and get retraces happening. We're definitely hitting that 236. I might do that for the night stream. I'm just gonna do a quick measure here to see where we're at, but if you really want to figure it out, we'll do this in the night stream. So we'll go low to high. Sorry, that's not the fibs. These are the fibs. Where are my fibs at, man? Here we go. Low to 36, waking that 382. All right, trying to hold on to whatever support it has. Again, we'll feed this properly at night. Just want to get a quick measure of what was happening with Atom on the daily. Again, trying to hold on. Hit bullish on the 4-hour, strong bullish, pumping, hitting the 20, rejecting, right? So it's not really looking this strong. If we hit the 20, we felt to get above it. Here we're also breaking below 20. We did go high, created that hidden bearish, moving back down. We had this resistance line. We have not been able to sustain prices above it, right? Look at this. One candle, next candle undid it, right? One candle, next candle undid it. So we're fake breakout. We're having fake breakouts above that resistance line. We've just been failing to trigger. Even here, right? This strong bullish divergence went up, hit that line, rejected. Hit that line, rejected the next one. So we are not strong enough, right? I even played around with changing the line and say, look, that might not be the rejection we're looking for. This could have been the rejection we were looking for at this point, but this might even track up to here now and say, look, this is our rejection zone, right? One, wick, hit, wick, and wicked. So it could be rejecting this area. Wouldn't be weird. I think I just like better the hit points I get here for the beginning of the trend, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fake breakouts happening. So it could be a problem, right? It could be a problem there for ADA. Again, trying to move down. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Someone said potential drops, targets, right? So targets for Bitcoin, we called them out yesterday. Oh no, we're breaking below another one. Trying to hold support. Remember I told you earlier, there's not a lot of resistance here. We could easily go back to 45,400. Guess where we're at. So again, last night we were up here, right? 49,000. We had the hidden bullish. We popped, hit that area right at 51,000. Everyone's happy. Everyone's throwing a party. Everyone's doing good. We rejected that zone. What happened? We lost the support at 49,600. Breaking it, right? Here we have data missing, but we can tell how it played out. Then we lost the support at 48,000. We lost support at 46,000. Held support, bounce again, rejecting higher prices. Breaking below 48 again. Right now, breaking below 46. We almost opened right there at 46, right? Look at this. Closed below 46. We wicked higher, fell to support. Now moving lower. The only thing we have right now, and again, on Bitcoin, we are still creating some hidden bullish divergence against the RSI, right? So from here to here, sorry, not hidden, strong bullish divergence. It's going from here to here. I made this larger. Look at that. This here, it's a 21.28, and this is 27. So definitely slightly higher. We lost it against the MACD. We're not strong enough to get it there. And look at this. We are going lower still. And this time against MACD and the RSI now, again, strong bullish divergence. The question is, are we going to be strong enough? If we're not strong enough to hold on to this bullish divergence, I would start to get a little bit worried for the midterm trend, short midterm trend for Bitcoin becoming bearish. Because we know that during bearish trends, bullish indicators fail to play out. And having strong bullish divergence fail to play out when we're in a bull market, at least for the short term, it'll start to give me like a signal that it might feel a little bit bearish for Bitcoin. Again, I'm not overhyping it. I'm not underplaying it. I'm just saying, it might start to turn a little bit bearish in the short term. The long term is still bullish. The long term trend for Bitcoin is still bullish. Since inception has been bullish. So that is fine. We're in the third advance. We know where we could go. We talked about the parabola. Again, this fibs ignore, right? Retrace 100%. Here, I was just looking at, see if we get the measure move. We hit the measure move and then we're hitting some, right? We're breaking outside of this upsloping channel yesterday. I said we might try to pull back up above it, but I wasn't sure. We still hadn't hit a measure move at 47,000. Already did. We're breaking below 382. We're heading for the 50% at 43,900, which happens to be where we also have support here, right? Have a support at 43,923. We've called that one yesterday as a target, but below, that's the one we have before hitting 40K. 40K almost on the dot, right? So again, we know we have targets to the downside right now. Sitting at 45,467. Below there, 43,900. Below there, 40K. Below there, we get to the 30s, right? 37,300, 35,700, 33,300. How much can Bitcoin dip? It's going to be entirely up to Bitcoin, man. I wish I could tell you that. I can't. It's Bitcoin doing its thing, man. Oh, that might actually have been from the 4-hour, man, and I forgot to anchor it there, so. Am I missing the key here? All right, so something I traced somewhere is coming through. I don't like that, so. Is this from the 1 hour now? No, I'm just anchoring this in the 1. Something was going on to the daily to play there, man. I don't like it. It makes my charts messy. Here it is. This thing's I drew in orange. In the orange color, man, of Bitcoin deaths, slow death, bleeding out. I don't think we're going full on bearish, though. I think we can try to hold on to this. Pedro, thanks for being here, man. What's up?
What's up?
You think this channel's pretty cool? Thank you, Jake. I'm here every night, man. During the weekdays, I come here during midday to do mid-cap analysis. So, midday cap analysis, midday recap analysis, whatever we call it, man. Midday, yeah, stock analysis. It's usually just stocks, but yeah, crypto going insane. We're looking at crypto, right? It is a crypto stream so far. We haven't looked at Ethereum, dude. 1,464. Oh my god, how it's bled. Again, the bullish divergence is not playing out. Jeez, from back here, we kind of have it. I'm not sure. 1879. 1838, no, we don't have it. We lost it. Lost all bullish on Ethereum. Low, high, negative, positive, low, high. Again, sold at 34.46. Bouncing with Bitcoin, rejecting the 20. Not what we want to see. Huge gaps on Gemini. Yeah, I know. Either low volume or the exchange had problems and it just stopped trading. Because this as 1 p.m. So this is, 1 in the morning and this is 5 in the morning. So there's a 3-hour gap where either it didn't trade or the exchange was having problems. If we can go to a 42, well, there's support at the 43. So we'll see, 43,900. That'll be a support. Below there, 40K. Trying to hold on right now at some bullish divergence. We're sitting right at support, right? 45,467. We're at 45,500. So if we can get it together and pump. Get it together and pump, man. It needs to pump. Yeah, and then here we have another gap from 6 p.m. from 6 in the morning to 7 in the morning. It's like a gap here. Could have been a data gap. Other exchanges seem to have that data there, so that's why I'm not worried, right? I can make the story here. Looking to get an insane drop, try to recover, take an insane drop, try to recover, drop more. So this is the gap we have. Right now we're below the 1618. We were holding on to it a little bit ago, right? Very close to that 47,000. We still have a couple hours to go in the day. Some Bitcoin can or wants to hold on to some kind of bullishness. That'll be good. That'll be good for Bitcoin, right? In short terms, there are great strong bullish divergence. Will it care about it this time though? Will it be like, yeah, I'm cool, I'll abide, I'll do the bullish divergence, I'll pump, guys. I'll show you I still have it in me to go higher. And this is not the retrace that we're looking for, right? It's not a huge dump yet. It's just like around, what are we looking at in total? 15% right now for the day? We've had worst. We've seen worst. We're seasoned veterans, man. We've been through this and back. Aave, please. Sure, man. Let's do Aave. Why not? I don't think there's a lot of things on queue. Am I sure about this? You really think the Bitcoin cycle will end in August? Still going down. Yeah. Still going down, Colin. Never been here, man. I know you typed some stuff the other day, man. I didn't get to read it. Someone sent it to me on the Discord post stream. There's some comments that I can't remember what they were, but I know you typed something the other day and I was not able to see them, man. I'm sorry about that. Sometimes the chat goes crazy, and by the time I look at the chat again, the comment's gone. If you need me for something, tag me at the State of Crypto, man, and I will try to comply and look at what you're telling me, right? Oh, it was this. I got it from Soka. He said, I love to listen to your crypto analysis while I pan. Would you ever want a painting for the stream set? If so, just let me know. I think that was your comment. Are you in the Discord? Hit me up on the Discord, man. Let's talk about it. I'm interested. Yes, it would be cool. I'm sorry that I was not able to reply to your comment there, man. That was on the 20th. So let me know, man. VGX changed names. I think we have it as VQX. Oh, yeah, we'll check it, David. All right, so I gotta move. I got 9 minutes, right? Let's go have it first. Because I requested it first. That's it. After VQX, I'm not gonna look at anything else. I gotta log off in like 9 minutes. Where's my Aave, dude? $314. Again, it's looking a little bit more like Ethereum, right? It's not getting that drop that Bitcoin's getting right now. That's creating that bullish divergence. But it's looking like the rest of the market. It had bearish divergence, action or downside, moving down on that. Great. We haven't looked at this in a couple days. Look, that tracked down to there. Bearish divergence was there. Like I said, right? Conditions were extremely bullish. All the bearish divergence that we're getting were not playing out. All I said, if you're worried about your position, set up a stop loss. We hit support at $417.83, and now we're bringing more to the downside. So we did have support there. We hit a stop. Now we're moving down still. We can actually fib this. Low to high. It's close enough. Getting very close to that 50% retrace and hitting it as potential support, right? We might hit that as potential support. Here we go. And we did break below that 382. Trying to retrace right now up, but it wouldn't be weird if we actually go to 277.58 and hit target before we actually move again, right? Yeah, Soka sent sometimes I miss stuff and Soka sends me the stuff, but I just pay attention again to Discord after the stream. So while I'm streaming, I'm not looking at the Discord most of the time. So forgive me about that, right? If you really need my attention, just do add the State of Crypto. And I'll for sure be paying attention. That's how you get my attention. So most of the times, I'll see the red flash. When my name is highlighted, and then I tend to look at stuff, right? Dynamic, thank you for being here, man. And the checks are not going to be until April. Are you talking about the new economic aid for the people? Whatever they call them. Anyways, hidden bullish, right? Might try to pump on that. But at least sideways motion. Again, remember, hidden bullish is nasty. Keep on dropping, you still have it. Sold at 37.45. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. The 4 hour Ave, what's happening there, man? Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still. Jeez, low, lower, negative. Yeah, nothing bullish, dude. Neutral, sorry, sold at 30.83. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. No lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Nothing bullish. Hidden bearish, though, for sure, right? Hidden bearish here for action to downside. Hidden bearish divergence, there it is. There it is, right? Action downside, moving down on that. That's what's keeping us from going higher. And then we have that 20 that we've just been rejecting. So we integrate some bullish divergence before we actually start moving up, right? Hidden bullish. No, this is hidden bearish. Hidden bearish divergence, fractional downside. There it is. That bear right there. It's hidden. You can't see it, but it's there. That's it for Ave. Again, quick stuff right now, right? Again, if you want more detail, do it at night on the stream. BQX. BQS again. Last thing we had was this bullish, hidden bullish, pumping on that, going higher, more positive, higher still. Against the RSI, just from way back here, we would have some strong bearish divergence, right? That's the only thing I'm looking at. That would potentially imply that we're going to get action to downside. Against the MACD, it's clear, just against the RSI, right? Again, went all the way up. It was trying to go to that 1618. That's fine. We're retracing. We might be doing a valid retrace. Gonna throw some fibs out real quick from low to high. I'm anchoring the same low. Anchor to the high and see if we hit a retrace. Yep, we actually wicked at 382. We're above that 236 right now. That's interesting. I'm gonna get rid of this again. Too many fibs there. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. The false flags. I hit the like. Yep. Yo, yeah, for sure. I appreciate the stock here. Yeah, right now we're just like, it's usually stocks and stuff, but it's been more crypto being requested. I'm doing crypto because, you know, market's crashing, but usually this time it's the stocks, man. These stocks. We're taking time of the prime time stocks to look at crypto, man. Just think about that. 86, 86.74, 86.93. Yeah, slightly higher. We could say there's some bearish divergence. The false flags just got here. Dude, thank you, man. I'm about to finish the stream in like 4 minutes, but I really appreciated the false flags, dude. I appreciate the support, man. It's a weird stream time, I know. It's just the time that I have for lunch. I can come in here, do stocks real quick, and then leave. But since crypto's going insane, we're looking at stuff, right? Again, Bitcoin, I did it halfway through the beginning, and then more in depth towards the end, because it's just freaking crazy, right? 3 minutes, I know, 4 minutes still. Thank you, doesn't matter. I need to put a countdown clock up there in the corner, so we know during this time that my time is limited. That's it. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. I want to go back to Bitcoin. So after this, Bitcoin, right? Again, it has some bullish divergence for action to the upside. Did go up, hit that 20, rejected. Again, not really bullish, right? When we reject the 20, we want to get above the 20. No hidden bearish here. Neutral at 40.20, but barely there, man. Let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, doesn't matter.
Buy some Roman and pass it out to your mods.
Yeah, sure, man. We'll buy Roman. Legendary, man. That's awesome. Thank you very much for that, man. I'll get 2 ups because of the donation. And that's kind. Awesome, dude. Yeah, let's buy some Roman. Ramen noodles, man. Hello. I was looking for some hidden bearish. Now, again, Bitcoin just has some strong bullish divergence that's starting to develop. It's really not taking hold. Where we at on the Fibs, right? Where we at on the Fibs? Let's get on the daily. Talk Fibs real quick. We're breaking that 618. Don't like that. I really wish we were above that 20 moving average. I wish we were above that 1618. I don't like that. Again, Bitcoin breaking the support line, right? Trying to hold on support at 45,464. Where do I have the other Fibs for Bitcoin? I think it's this one. Yeah, a little high, right? We're breaking the 382. We might be hitting for that 50% retrace at 43,957, right? That's what probably we're looking at right now. So if we fail to get above that 382, next target, 43,900. We do have a support there as well here on this chart. It's at 43,923. Right now we are slightly above 45,467 again. Well, let's try to hold on to this, man. The bullish divergence has to kick in if we want to hold on to whatever Bitcoin's trying to do. Pseudo bounce, right? Maybe go to that 20. We can try again in a couple of years. I don't think the bull rally's done, man. Just wanted to drop a like. I appreciate that, the false flags. I really appreciate that. Nah, I didn't want to do what's up. I want to do thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. See the wrong button. We can try again in a couple of years. Nah, it's not over yet. I mean, if we felt at this bullish divergence, like I said, right? If we felt with the bullish divergence to perform, yeah, the short term might have become bearish. Seen the others do what, man? Oh, you seen other ones put addresses? Bitcoin to 125,000 big things. Interesting target. Phoenix Rising. Yeah. The rally isn't done. I know. We're still good, right? We're still in the parabolic advance. I talked about that. Talked about it already, right? The parabolic advance. Where we at in that parabola? Let's hide the troll on your bands real quick, right? Look at this, right? We're still on that curve to the upside, so I'm not sure why people are worried about it. Still moving up. Just pullback that we're getting, it's not that strong, right? Yeah, I'm not sure, man. I do have a link to OneUpCoin. If you want to donate crypto, you can go through there. Yeah, Cointree's also for donations. The Cointree doesn't come through this, right? It's just like if you donate through there, it just goes straight to the wallet. It won't show here on the stream. You have to let me know, and then I'll bring it over and show it. But time's up. I know, Jesus, it's so much fun being here. Again, remember, interview with Hash Brown at 7 p.m. Central tonight. Thank you for joining me. Since I go to the restream, I cannot do the advices, do like schedule streams. So I just hit when I'm live. Anyways, guys, thank you for being here again. I appreciate it. Thank you for all the support you give to this channel, with the likes, with the views, with the donations. That's awesome, guys. Again, it's not about the donations, but the donations do help. Thank you for being here again. If you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links in the description. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is The Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this Tuesday, midday. And again, remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and education purpose only. They just want to get me the most percentage of the tips. I know. It's cool, man. The links are there. If you go through OneUpCoin, they don't take anything. They don't shave anything. Cointree doesn't shave anything either. If you donate through Cointree or OneUpCoin, I get 100% of that. Only PayPal takes 3% plus 30 cents. And then YouTube takes 30%. But I mean, YouTube has to eat, so, and they do provide this platform. So it's awesome from them to do that. Yo, guys, thank you all for being here again. I'll catch you again tonight if you want to join me for the interview with the Hash Brown. And then again at 9 p.m. Central for the full-on stream. On that note, I'll catch you guys tonight. Thank you for being here.